What's up everyone, it's Matt with Paw Print Props here, and we've put a dragon head on a stick to see what kind of stress it can take. Alright, first test is the slam test, let's go. Alright, let's see if it's boulder proof.
I like that boulder. That is a nice boulder.
Yep. Water test. Definitely waterproof. Okay, bait test. It's good.
Definitely good.
And now we're gonna throw it off the roof because why not? There's our target. All right, send it.
Ready?
All right, so far just a few scratches and a little bit of dirt is all. Nothing too major. The last test, run it over with a car. So far so good. Let's flip it over and see what happens. Yep. No visible damage. All right, we're gonna wash it off since we know it's waterproof. And oh, that's a perfectly good dragon head right there.
Science rules.